Act 1, Hook. You're sitting in traffic. Someone cuts you off. Your jaw clenches. Your heart rate spikes. Or maybe it's a notification, ping. Something about politics, a work email that sets you off. Your day was fine 2 seconds ago. Now you're seething. Welcome to the default state of modern anger. Act 2, Problem. This isn't the occasional blow-up. This is chronic, low-grade rage. The kind that lives under your skin all day. The checkout line that's too slow. The autocorrect that changes your words. The 10th notification from the same app. Modern life is an anger-generating machine, and you're the target. Studies show Americans are reporting higher levels of daily irritation than any decade since researchers started measuring. Act 3, Science. Here's what's happening inside. Your amygdala, the brain's threat detector, hasn't gotten the memo that you live in a world with central heating and seatbelts. It still thinks you're on the savannah. Every honking horn, every spam email, every political headline gets tagged as a potential threat. Your body floods with cortisol. Your sympathetic nervous system revs up. This was useful when a predator was nearby. But your brain can't tell the difference between a lion and a passive-aggressive Slack message. So you sit in a constant state of vigilance, waiting for the next attack. Act 4, Solution. You can break the loop. First, the pause practice. When you feel the heat rise, take 3 conscious breaths before reacting. This signals to your amygdala that the threat isn't immediate. Second, context reframe. Ask yourself, is this a real threat to my survival, or just an inconvenience? Most triggers are the latter. Third, trigger mapping. Notice what sets you off and why. Write it down. The act of naming the trigger robs it of its power. Your ancient brain is trying to protect you. It's not your enemy. But you need to update the software. Act 5, Close. Anger is not who you are. It's a signal. A fire alarm telling you something needs attention. But not every alarm means the building is burning. Sometimes someone just burned toast in the break room. Learn to listen to the signal without letting it run your life. Recognize the evolutionary wiring, respect its intention, and then choose a different response. Because you are not your anger. You are the one who notices it. And that noticing changes everything. This is the default state 01.